Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are discuss about a topic. The topic name is time machine. Okay, and this topic has been taken from the books Wonder Bus, and this Wonder Bus have a story. The story name is The Sound Machine, and this story has been written by Ronald Rand. It is a class 7th standard. So let's start the video and know the story of this chapter. So in the beginning of the story, we have to know about that the sound machine is a science fiction story that explores the idea that there may be sounds in the world which human beings cannot normally hear. You can see around surrounding to us that a lot of the noises that can be heard very easily, but some of the noises are sound that we cannot hear easily. So here is the scientist or the inventor. The name of the scientist Klausner. An inventor, built a strange device called the sound machine. This machine can detect very high frequency sounds beyond the range of the human ear. Curious and excited, Klausner tested his invention in his garden using the headphones connected to the machine. So here little scientist, the scientist who invent a kind of machine that detect a very low sound by the machine. Okay, the machine detected it very easily. So next he, while the experimenting, he heard the strange sharp and the painful sound that normal people cannot hear by his ear. He noticed that whenever a rose stem is cut, the machine produces a high pitched screams as if the plant is crying in a pain. It means the machine of the Klosner is work now. He used this machine in a garden and start to hearing by using the headphone. When he start to hear, he listen sound of the plants. The firstly he listen the sound of rose plant. Okay, and rose, when a woman cut the stem of rose plant, he the machine detect the sound in a high pitch, and if the plant is crying in a pain, the shocks Kostler deeply, and the Kostner was completely shocked to hear the sound of the plants. Mr. Saunders, his neighbors noticed his odd behavior and become the curious. When Klosner explains his invention and demonstrates it, the cuts a rose herself. It means when the Klosner asking to cut again a plant of rose, he also, it means the Sanders became the curious, and she also cut a rose stem again. And why? Because she also interested to listen more thing or invention more thing. But though she hears nothing, Klosner heard the same painful scream through the machine. The Sanders, it means she did not listen any kind of sound during the but the stem of rose. But here Klosner used the machine. By using the machine, he detect the sound of plants and plants plants that convince him that plants may feel pain, and even though human cannot hear their cries. And when he listen or hears the sound of pain scream through the machine, he wanted to convince Miss Sanders. But in the end, Klosner is disturbed and frightened by his discovery. He realized that human beings may be ignorant of many hidden forces, uh, ignorant of many hidden forces and sensation in nature, simply because their sensations are limited. Okay, it means when he wanted to say something about the Sanders. He wanted to convince Mr. Sanders that the plants also feel the pain. But Miss Sanders did not understood the theme of the Mr. Closer, so she ran away from the garden or park. And now, in the end of the story, Mr. Closer totally disturbed and completely fearful to to hear about his discovery, see the result of his discovery, and he realized that the human being may be ignore everything, every hidden forces or sensation that is the provided by the natures. And he also think that this type of the senses are very limited, okay, that we cannot observe without any kind of instruments. So moral of the story, so we can know the theme of the story: the human senses are limited and the science can be reveal every kind of the truth of the nature that is the hidden by us. Okay, and next we know about that the nature may be more alive and sensitive than we imagine. And in the last of the story, we also learn about that the story raise ethical question about how human treat plants in the nature world. So it is a story, and we hope that you are learn about this story. Now we start to solve the book exercise of this story. Now you can see here the book exercise of the story. So in the first story we can see that here is the sum of the statement or sentences about the story, and so we can sequence it in a proper way. So here in the first of the in the beginning of the story, the sentence start with the Closerer walked out of his house and threw the garden into the shed. And in the second, he opened the black box and he spent an hour checking all the wires. And now next, Cosler decided that it was time to take the box out to the garden and test it. And next, he saw his neighbors, Mr. Sardars, walk through her garden with a flower, and next he heard a shriek and looked around to see Mrs. Sardars cutting rose. And now next he realized that the each time he heard the strange shriek coincided with the moment the Mrs. Saunders cut a rose. And now seventh point is he begged Mrs. Saunders to cut another rose so he could confirm his theory. And now next is he told Mrs. Saunders his theory, but thinking he was crazy, she got away from his as soon as she could. And now, next, Gosler pulled a few daisies from the ground and realized they made a sound each time the stem broke. And now next, Kostler came to the understand that while plants make a sounds which they are plucked, it is not a necessarily a cry of pain or any identifiable human emotions. Now next exercise is complete this sentence about the story in your own words. So you can see here in his garden, shed counselor kept a machine he had invented to catch non-audible sound. Okay, non-audible sound. Now second is counselor. Counselor decided to take the machine out to the garden to taste. Now, third point is Kostler realized that the shriek he heard through his headphones from the rose stems. Now, next is at first Kostler thought the shriek were cries of pain. And fifth, however, he knew that roads do not a nervous system to feel with. Now next is Kostler repeated the experiment after Mrs. Saunders left by pulling some daisies from the ground. And seventh is he felt he had been wrong in calling it a cry of pain. Now eighth option is removed his headphones and returned home. I hope you all understood. Now next exercise, think and answer. Here is the tick the correct option and appreciate option that takes these lines. We take it out into the garden this time, and then perhaps the reception will be better. So option number A will be correct. Kostler hopes the receptions will be better in the garden than in the shade. Now next is he looked like a ancient, perspective and bespectable, bespectable child. So option number B will be correct. Klosner is small build and slight like a child, but overall he looks old and bespectable. Now third is as though he were afraid that the machine might not work and afraid also of what might happen if it did. Now option will be B correct. Kostler had mixed feelings of the excitement and anxiety about his invention. Now exercise number E, I think you did not know about the onomatopoeia. It means when a things or any kind of the noise or sound made by a non-living things, then it will be the onomatopoeia. Any sound, any kind of the sound makes by any object or any things or any person, so this sound is called the onomatopoeia. So you can see here which of the following are not example of onomatopoeia. So shear, scream and squeal, all these is a kind of sound, but still is a night not a kind of sound. So option number C will be correct. A bird is chirping tweets or goes, but she did not snaps. Now third is onomatopoeia word for the laugh can be green and burp. Now fourth is a fire gurgles hoots. Now next is the wind clinks and cracks. Now sixth is a stream beeps and flows, and dry leaves fly and breaks. Now next exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct words. So in the beginning, first option you can see same pronunciation but the spelling is different. Exclusions and exclusions. So first option will be correct, exclusion, and this option filled in a third, but in the first you can fill the option number technician. You can fill the word technician in option number first. Here is the 1 minute. Here is a option number first technician. It is filled in blanks number 1. Okay. Now second is there seems to be marked dash and lack of trust between the two. So you can fill the option number 2 here, suspicions. Okay. This is the option number 2. Fill in the second option. Okay. Now third is the guide recommended and dash to Kovalam Beach as part of the grand tour. So option number third is here, executions. So it will be going to the field option number third. Fourth is Aditya told us the story from the political. So in the fourth option you can fill the perspective. So here is the option number 4. Okay. Now fifth is the sheer dash of Martin's stroke play was stunning. So option number fifth is here Audacity. Audacity is the option number 5, and the option number 6 is captions. Okay, captions is the option number 6, and seventh is option number 7th is interfere. Interfere is the option number 7, and option number 8 is principal. You can see here principal. Option number 8, and option number 9 here. 9 is in the below of option number 8 adopted. Okay, adopted is option number 9, and option number 10 will be everyone. Make the space both word everyone. Okay, now next is you can match here option exercise number G. The inventor of the sound machine hear many sound in his earphone. Match the sound and related word with their meaning. So first option match with a shared sound that is weak and complaining. Option number 2, rhythmic. It's match with the option number I, regular pattern of sound. Option number 3, match with C, pleasant sounding music that rage and falls. Option number 4, match with the option number G, full and deep sound mostly related to opera. Option number 5, match with the option number A, sound made by the hitting things, especially drum. Option number 6, match with option number H, a lot of noise of people laughing and shouting comedy. Okay, uh, in the blanks you can fill the word. Okay, uh, unroarious. Option number 7, match with option number F, a continuous low sound, the drawn of traffic. Option number 8, match with option number D. Okay, loud ringing, especially a bell. Now option number 9, match with the option number B, sound of a heavy object hitting something else, the thud of footsteps. Okay, now exercise number I, underline the main clause in this sentence. As you know already about the difference between main clause and the subordinate clause, so here underline only main clause. So you can see here the Shreya grandfather is good cook, it is a main clause. I read book, it is a main clause. My mother does not like it, it is a main clause. Okay, and Najia Hassan was a world famous singer, it is a main clause. The cup has my sister's university logo on it, it is a option number 5. 6 is I studied at a Kendriya Vidyalaya, so it is a main clause. 7th is Gurpreet hears is a easy to wash, it is also a main clause. And option number 8, Jawaharlal Nehru was Indira Gandhi's father, it is a main clause. And option number 9, Alice was taken by surprise, it is a main clause. And last option is a 10, I like to write in my journal, so it is a main clause of the sentence. Now exercise number J, fill in the blanks with a complete the subordinate clause in this sentence. So use these relative pronouns and complete make the complete sentence. So in the beginning, the first you can fill the word which. Mariam has a pet turtle which goes to sleep on her foot. Option number 2, I am interested in dance form that are from different states. Option third, they were very tired when they came back from the picnic. Option number 4, Sohini does not know why she is afraid of the dark. And option number 5, I know where the suitcase is. Option number 6, Manpreet understood how to solve the problem. Option 7, Ajay games has improved because he practiced a lot. Option 8, we talked about our pets while we ate. Option number 9, Shivya sneezes whenever she enters place with a dog. And option number 10, the teacher knew what the hullabaloo was all about. Now next exercise number K, use the two sentences by correctly. Okay, so here the write a sentence and add something is wrong, so replace some correct word. So in the beginning there is a 1 year guarantee on whichever, not whatever is wrong. In place of whatever you can write whichever phone you buy. Okay, now second is, have you checked whether, not whoever, it will be whether the charger is plugged in. Third is, though, not as, remove the as. Though the wound has healed, a scar remains. Now option number 4, fools rush in. In place of when you can write where angels fear to tread. Option 5, opportunity did not knocked. In place of before you can write until. I built a door. 6, in place of when you can write if you are not part of the solution, you are part of a problem. Now seventh is, all is well that ends well. In place of what you can write down that. Okay, now option number 8, don't count your chickens before. In place of while you can write down before they hatch. Option 9, let's cross the bridge. In place of though you can write when we come to it. Now 10, option in place of so you can write down if wishes were horses, beggars would ride. Okay, now this is the last exercise, so you can read the paragraph carefully and complete it. I hope you enjoy this video and complete your book exercise. We meet to the next video.